My name is LaToya Lee. I am the Customer Experience Manager for Centrios. Centrios is a brand under Assa Abloy, which is our parent company, and what we do is we create access solutions for small business customers. As a Customer Experience Manager, I'm responsible for customer service, inside sales, our partner experiences. I also work across different organizations in order to build a complete solution. So I work closely with our marketing director, our technical support team, even our order management team. So I work with all of our customer support teams in order to create a complete solution for servicing our customers and our end users. Centrios is a brand new brand under Assa Abloy. We just launched in July of last year, and we had a limited launch, so we're only in the Northeast. With that limited launch, however, we're still working with partners all across the country. So our current partners are locksmiths locksmiths, distributors, anyone who's interested in selling or installing the Centrios solution for small business customers. In addition to that, we also have our internal partners, which is our sales team. So we made the decision about 4 months ago to include our internal sales team as part of our partnership so that it would give them easier access to our external partners and also allow us to provide training so that they would really understand the Centrios solution when talking to our external partners or bringing in external partners. And it's been incredibly beneficial to do it that way. The PX Studio for Impartner is so incredible. It is so easy to use. I am the least technical person on my team, and my marketing director is as technical as I am, so not at all. However, developing the program and developing the portal was our responsibility, and yet we were able to do it, just she and I, sitting in front of our computers over Teams, sharing our screen, looking at it and deciding what it's going to look like, what kind of trainings we're going to add, how we're going to add them, what the journeys are going to be. And it was so incredibly easy for the two of us to do it. We were so proud of ourselves. We completely threw out an entire program and rebuilt it in 4 months. And I don't think we would have been able to do that if we weren't on PX Studio. When we initially considered Impartner as a solution, we didn't really know what we wanted the partner program to be or how we wanted it to function, but what we knew was that it needed to be something that was easy enough for me to do myself. And because of that, we have been able to do a multitude of different things. It's been incredibly useful. And the system is set up so that I, who am not technical at all, am able to go in and manage what that sync looks like, what information is transferring from Impartner over to Salesforce and what information is transferring from Salesforce over to Impartner. One of the benefits of that is that my team does not have to switch from one system to the other system. They're actually able to manage our partner relationship in one system. So if we didn't want to have to go back into Impartner, we wouldn't have to. But if we didn't want to go into Salesforce, again, we would not have to. So that has been a game changer for us. And it really allowed me to create the type of employee experience that I wanted to create for my team. We have received great feedback from both our internal and our external partners. Our external partners have advised us that they love the training, that it is incredibly intuitive, it is simple. They appreciate the fact that the training is 5 to 10 minutes long. It's something that they can add users into their portal so that their employees can be trained and become experts on installing Centrios products. That has been their favorite thing. With our internal partners, first of all, they love the fact that they have their own portal and that they are in control of their own journey. And they love the fact that we built journeys that provided the training for them. So they didn't have to ask, and they don't have to go out and search for information about Centrios products. They also really love the fact that we are able to share assets with them. So we're able to provide documentation and co-branded materials, and that's always been a struggle from what we understand. So that's one of their favorite things. And co-branded materials has been a game changer for us. The fact that we can continue to brand documentation and allow our partners to also add their brand. My favorite thing about that feature is the fact that it gives our end users additional support. They have the option of reaching out to Centrios if they need support, or they can reach out to one of our partners, and they're not bound by they're not stuck having to only go to this one resource. So that's the reason why I love that. Impartner is definitely a scalable solution. It's definitely something that will grow with your business. And not only will it grow with your business, but it will help you help your partners' businesses to grow. You can assign deals, you can assign leads, you can add your products, you can add marketable materials, things that are challenging for partners to obtain, things that partners would have to request. You now can provide that, and they'll have it at their fingertips. It is the right solution for manufacturing company and every other industry. One other thing that I love about Impartner is the sense of community. The thing that I love about that sense of community is the fact that we're kind of all in the same boat. No, we're not all in the same industry, but we're still all trying to accomplish the same goal, which is help build our partner's business and connect with them. And the fact that we're able to share that information and provide tips, and this is what I did, and this is what you did, and this is what you can do, that is such a great thing. And that's the reason why not only do you get on board with Impartner as a solution, but you also come to ImpartnerCon.